Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from BJ Learn, and in this class, I want us to talk about conditional formatting. So, when we talk about conditional formatting, we mean highlighting cells based on specific conditions that you'll want. So, first to do conditional formatting, you must highlight the cells or a given column, and then you'll go to Home tab and then start formatting the cells based on the conditions that you need. So let's just start with this salary column. So I will highlight the salary cells or the cells within the salary column. Then we'll click on Home tab. So under Home tab, you have various commands. We have for alignment, for number, for styles, for cells, for editing, and for adds in. But we want to use conditional formatting, so we'll work with styles. So I will click on this command for conditional formatting. Then it gives us a drop down menu with the various options for commands. So we have a command for highlighting cells, for top bottom rules, for data bars, for color cells, for icon sets, and again can also create new rules. Can as well clear rules or manage rules. So let's start by highlighting cells. So we want to highlight cells greater than. So I'll come here and click greater than. I want to highlight cells that are greater than, let's say 5,000. Then I'll highlight them using, let me try to use yeah, green fill with dark green. Then I click OK. So again, I want to highlight the cells uh, that are less than 2,000. I want to use red border. I'll click OK. And again, I want to highlight cells based on between, let's say between 2,500 and 4,000. Then you can highlight the cells. You can use a red border. You can custom uh, the way you want to highlight. So I will use border. I want to use this border again. The fill, I want this fill. I want this fill. I want that pattern. Then I'll click OK. Then click OK. So that is conditional formatting based on highlighting cells. So let's get into another conditional formatting based on text, where text has a specific text. So let's let's select this column for department. Go to conditional formatting. We want to highlight where the cell contains a specific text. So we want where it is written cells. Then we'll strike it with, we want to custom the highlighting. Then we click OK. Then again, let's again do another conditional formatting. So that was based on a specific cell. So let me just try to copy these values and paste here. So you can say this one is salary 2, Then I will do away with the colors. So I will clear the rules on that column. So I will come here, then clear the rules based on selected cells. So again, I want to uh, create conditional formatting using data bus. So I can choose various data bus. So this will give us longer data bus with values which are high, and shorter data bus with values which are low. So you can always choose the color. So that is conditional formatting based on data bus. Again, let me just try to copy this, paste here. So this will be salary 3. So I want to clear the rules on this on that selected cells. I will clear the rules on the selected cells. Then I want to create a different conditional formatting based on color scales. So I can use this, can use whichever I want, but I might as well use that or this. So again, I'll copy this and paste this here. So this is salary 4. Then I will clear the rules based on the selected cells. Then I also want to create another uh, conditional formatting based on icon sets. So on icon sets, I can choose directional, can choose shapes, can choose indicators. I can also choose ratings, but this depends with what I want to show my audience, or what I want the audience to see when I present. So I will choose. Let me just try to choose shapes. Instead of shapes, let me try to choose directional. So directional is not giving us anything. Let us try. Yes, so the direction will give us when the values are falling down, so when the values are going up steeply, or when the values are going down steeply. So you can see this one where we have uh, the arrow going up. We have one where the arrow is coming down, but on not on a steep scale. We also have one where the arrow is going up diagonally, but not on a steep scale. And then we also have where the arrow is coming down, but on a steep scale. So okay, let's try to copy this again, and create another conditional formatting. So this is cells 5. So I want to clear the rules on these selected cells. So I want to create a new rule now. I'll create a new rule. Then I want to format these cells based on the top or bottom ranked values. So we have various options here. You can always choose one, but I want to choose where we have uh, at above or below average. I want, so I don't need this one with standard deviation. So let me just come back here and um, based on their values, I want to create a conditional formatting based on values. So the lowest percentage, the highest percentage, then the color preview will be like this. So you can also change this color here. You can start with the lowest being red, and the highest moving towards green. Then we click OK. So you can see where we have the red, it means that we have the lowest salary. where we have the highest, we'll have the green color being much more pronounced. So when you want to clear the rules, you just come here and click clear rules, so you can clear all the rules, or you can clear the rules based on selected cells. Again, when you want to amend the rules, let's say you want to amend the rules on this salary column. So I will select this column, come to conditional formatting, and then I'll go here where we have rather I will select this option where we have manage rules. So under manage rules, I can add new rule, I can edit the rule, or I can delete the rule. So deleting the rule, I will come here on a given rule, then tick the box, then I'll click OK. And again, when I want to edit rule, I can come here and click this edit rule. Then like now I want to edit this. So I can say this one I want to be instead of 2 5, I want it to be 3 5, and this one I also want to be 4 5. So I'm editing the rule, then I will click OK. I can as well change the preview color. You can format it, give it a different color. So you can come here and give it let's say this color, then I'll click OK, then OK, then I will apply, then OK. So you can see the kind of format we have on a salary scale. So that was all about conditional formatting. So thanks for watching, and when we meet again, we'll talk about a different topic on Excel.